Welcome back to my channel, AR Codemy, and today I have a new Python project. So what this basically is, it does stuff with files. Let me run you through the code. First we have OS module, we're importing it, then we have shuttle. Shuttle is for when we want to relocate the file. So the function to get the file location, we're asking the location, then the file if it exists, going to that path, changing the current working directory. If it doesn't, then file location is incorrect. So now this is all you can do. You can rename, make all uppercase, make all lowercase to remove underscore to capitals, and we can relocate. Then we're asking what do you want to do, blah blah blah. So first we have the rename file function. It takes the file location and the current name and the new name it asks, then it basically renames this as our rename. We're getting the current file location and the name, then we're changing it to the renamed name and the same file location, and then we're praying that has been renamed to this. And make all uppercase is basically the same. It make all uppercase, yep, dot upper. We have dot upper, and I believe here we had dot lower. Oh, we don't have dot lower. Okay. Oh, that was just for renaming. My bad. I got confused. So that's rename. We're just making it all uppercase. Same for here, making it all lowercase, dot lower. Then we have remove underscores. This one is a bit complicated. Let me run through it. Is there any underscore in the name? So for x in current name, for each character in the current name, if x is an underscore, then we're running this block of code. So character after underscore is we're getting the character which comes after the underscore. We're getting the index of the underscore, then +1, so that gives us the index of the next character, which if you use square brackets returns the value at the index. Then current name updated is dot replace. We're replacing any underscore with character after upper dot upper. So we're capitalizing the character which comes after the underscore. We're replacing it then with the current name at the current name dot index of x +1. So we're basically replacing the name which comes after the underscore with a blank, because remember the underscore has been removed, and in place of that we have the next character in uppercase. But if we don't have this dot replace over here, what it will do is it will keep the capitalized version and also the lowercase version, so we don't want that. It will create name confusions, so we remove that as well. Then we're just renaming it, and then we're praying it out. So for the relocating the file, we ask for the new location, then we're shuttle.move. We're moving it to the new location which the user wants. Okay, so that is the code. I have this test folder. Wait, let me show you this in reveal and finder. Let me just do that real quick. There is that reveal and finder. Can I reveal in finder? Yes. Okay. Yep, so we have this project file thingy. Of course, the most original name ever. Now this test folder, subfolder, subdir2, new dir boys I think is the name. I'm not too sure. Then we have this test renamed.txt. So first what we'll do is we'll normally rename it to test. Okay. So now what we can do is we can click on get info, or any other way like on Windows you can do, and we will run this code, python min.py, location of the file this, then the name was test.txt. So what do we want to do? First we'll rename it test underscore renamed.txt. Test underscore renamed.txt. Okay, test.txt has been renamed to text underscore rename.txt. If you go over here, you can see in get info, test rename.txt is now the file's name. I haven't added recursion to this, but I will. And then we have test renamed.text. Okay, what do we want to do? Let's make everything uppercase. Bada bing, bada boom. What do you want to do? So now we have test renamed.txt 3, make all lowercase. Back to the original form. Boom. Dot text. Now we want to remove underscore to capitals. 4th. So it says test underscore renamed has been renamed to test rename.txt. So this is what we were using the replace for, right? Otherwise it had been test capital R then lowercase renamed. So we don't want that, so we just remove the R, lowercase r, with this replace. Okay. So go and find your boom test rename.txt, and now for moving the file. It is test renamed ed.text file 5. We want to relocate it into the new location of the file instead of the new abeerraos and like test folder. Let's just put it in the test folder as of now. What? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's just make it subdir 2. Wait, was it subdir 2? I forget. Subfolder. Now hit enter. Not a valid location, of course. Okay, relocate it. Let me just get the location. Get info. We want it to be relocated in subfolder. Nice. Okay, so now we have moved it to subfolder, and it says file has been moved to the new location. If we actually check it out, then boom, inside subfolder now we have test rename.txt, which is this test. So earlier it was, if we go all the way back here, it was in test folder, subfolder, subdir2, new abeerraos, and now we have moved it to subfolder. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new and haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, and like you'll receive super cool coding videos just like this one, and like it is gonna be super cool ASMR. Anyways, and if you want to follow any of my socials, link is in the description. Code for this project and a lot of my other projects can be found at my GitHub page. Link is in the description. I've been abeerrao. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.